This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Monday, June the 16th. Starting out last Friday, limit gains in soybean oil. Big gains in the soy complex on whole, but the soy oil coming from those RVO levels coming out. Expected could come around that 5.6 billion gallons on soy oil blending, even higher than what we were expecting. The big caveat is that imported products for soy biodiesel production would not get the same tax credits. They would get half the value of domestic products. Currently, 23% of U.S. biodiesel is produced with imported products, so that would be a big boost for U.S. soy oil demand. Could see, though, a lot of, be interesting to see, I should say, what happens with the imported canola oil and other oils. They would likely end up in food products, but we'll have to see. Could make for an interesting shift in the global soy oil and vegetable oil movement on a whole. But soy oil a little bit higher last Friday. Pushing limit gains again this morning. Not quite there, but we are pretty close. We'll have expanded limits too, so keep your eye on that. Second thing, the NOPA crush report for May will be released today. Expect to see a record 193.5 million bushels of soybeans processed in the month. Trade pretty much expecting big numbers for crush. Expect to see these record processing levels come in and continue. Really not surprising trade that much anymore. If we get a falter and see a crush number drop, that'll probably get a bigger response in the market than the big numbers. And the final thing today, it is Monday after the close. We will get the crop report out. Expect corn planting pretty much wrapped up, soybean planting in the later stages. We'll get a better idea of if we're going to see unplanted acres now. The shift that'll take place is we will start to see more interest on crop condition and ratings now. Uh, we have some pretty fairly good ratings on the crops. Thoughts it'll improve a little bit with the weather we had over the last week. So if we see ratings improve, it's going to put a little pressure on the market. Again, you can't determine yield with crop condition and ratings. You just simply can't. But you can tell the overall state of the crop. And that is what trade will start looking a little bit more for. Just a quick reminder, it's a weird week this week. The Juneteenth holiday falls on Thursday. We will have normal trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, trade close Thursday, normal trade on Friday. So we're going to have a broken up week of trade here, but stay with. We'll keep you updated on that. Those are the three things I'm watching today.